Hello viewers, what does it mean to be healthy? We should maintain for our diets fruits, grains, vegetables, protein, dairy products. Grains. What is the difference between the whole grains and the refined grains? Look, protein. There are so many items. Look, egg, chicken, beef, fish, etc. Fruits. What about fruit juice? Look, green, off-white, yellow, pink, multicolored fruits, vegetables. They can be cooked in many ways. Actually, make a rainbow at the salad bar. Eat all the colors. Really, multivitamins are available in multicolors. So we should maintain like rainbow. Dairy products, milk products, that is dairy products. There are so many items which are made from milk. We should take milk products in different forms. Sample my plate. This is the sample of plate. Carbohydrate, protein, vegetables, fruits, and dairy products. Everybody must keep her every meal. These are the items. See in the plates. Next, how can we make these better? We can make better with mixing different vegetables like this. How to read a food? Like, start with serving size, limit these nutrients, get enough of these nutrients. Nutritional facts. Okay, next. What a food is this? Look. What food is this? Next. Which has the most sugar? It's the more sugary product, so we should avoid this type of product. Look, 77 grams, 16 grams, 77 grams, and 37 grams. These items are filled with too much sugar, so we should always avoid this type of items. How many sugar packets are in 120 OZ bottle of soda? Now, look, healthy eating tips. Eat the rainbow. Just like a rainbow. Rainbow has 7 colors. How we should maintain to take our food regarding to rainbow. Eat whole grains. Drink water instead of sugary drinks. Eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Make half of a plate fruits and veggies. Eat only junk food every once in a while. Junk food every once in a while. Okay, next, energy balance. We should think about what we take and what we done. Uh, Look, calories in. This is input item into our body, and we have to destroy. We have to lose our calorie by our activities like running, walking, and another physical activities. This is fact. We have to maintain proper balance. Next, what do you do to stay active? We have to play a sport, shake it, bring outside, game inside, plug into fitness, do it with your family and friends. Reggae, jiggle, and fidget. Take a TV break, do your chores, enjoy the outdoors. Next, what kind of physical activity do you need to do? This is aerobic activity, muscle strengthening, bone strengthening, stretches. How long should we be active for every day? 60 minutes every day. 1 hour is just a small part of your day. Break up physical activity. You don't need to go fast. You just need to go. More free time, less sit time. Spend less than 2 hours in front of screen every day. You don't need to go first. You just need to go. Scientists found that kids who spend more than 2 hours in front of screen are more likely to be overweight. So be serious, be sincere. How can I make sure you get to be active every day? Do it with your friends. Find time in the morning or on weekends. Races or PE. TV breaks. Bring outdoor games inserts to something you know. Make it fun. Getting active tips. Some small steps can make a big changes. You don't need to go first. You just need to go. Spend less than 2 hours of screen time every day. Less sit time, more free time. Play or be active for 1 hour every day. Sleep. How much we do sleep? Why is sleep important? Look, next. These are the tables. Age, recommendations sleep, recommended amount of sleep. Newborn babies 16 to 18 hours a day. Preschool or age children 11 to 12 hours a day. School age children at least 10 hours a day. Teens 9 to 10 hours a day. Adults including elderly 7 to 8 hours a day. How can this help me now? Can be fun. Make you look good. Put you in a good mood. Give you more energy. Helps you focus more. How can this help me later? Keeps you healthy so you don't get sick. Help you stay or get fit. Keeps you have a healthy weight. Helps you live a longer and sweeter life. Brought to you by yours. Thank you very much for watching.